What is X-ray? An X-ray, also known as radiography. It is a common medical imaging technique that's been used for decades. It can help your doctor view the inside of your body without having to make an incision. This can help them diagnose, monitor, and treat many medical conditions. X-ray uses a small amount of electromagnetic radiation that passes through the body to quickly capture a single image of your anatomy to assess injury, fractures or dislocations, or disease, bone degeneration, infections or tumors. As shown in picture, X-rays are projected towards the detector through the object, which has to be examined to produce a radiograph. X-ray test is performed for examine an area where you're experiencing pain, or monitor the progression of a diagnosed disease, such as osteoporosis, or check how well a prescribed treatment is working. In general, there are no side effects of X-rays. The level of radiation exposure is considered safe for most adults, but not for a developing baby. If you're pregnant or believe you could be pregnant, tell your doctor before you have an X-ray. They may suggest a different imaging method. If you ingest a contrast material before your X-ray, it may cause side effects. These include hives, itching, nausea, lightheadedness, a metallic taste in your mouth. These are some samples of X-ray images. If you like the video, be in touch with us for more informative video. Thank you.